called sound effects. Now, what's going to happen? We got two comics up here shortly, and they will be doing a scene, and you will be providing the sound effects for it into the microphones. Go ahead and check it out. Say your name on the microphone, please.
Daniel.
Rachel. Rachel.
Daniel.
Rachel. Rachel.
All right, okay. All right, so Rachel, you'll be doing the sound effects for Cliff right over here. And fantastic. He just popped his fingers. And Daniel, you will be doing the sound effects for Nathan right over there. And let's see, we'll give you a trial run right quick. Let's say that Cliff here is, let's say he's, oh, I won't do that to you. Let's say he is starting a lawnmower.
I forgot, I gotta take these gloves off. Yes, we go ready. Wow, I greased the thing a little too good. Yeah.
I love it. Yes. I like it. All right, so Daniel, you're going to do the sound effects for Nathan. Let's say that Nathan is tap dancing. Now we need in this one. Let's get an awkward place for a first date. Pickle farm. A pickle farm. Firing range. A firing range. Yes. All right. You're at a firing range. Sound effects. Okay. All right. So here we go.
All right. Well, welcome to the firing range. I want to just give you an overview. There's some people are already on down the range, and I actually. Sorry, there's a guy using a shotgun down there. Pretty loud. Hopefully they don't get the missile launcher out. Okay, but what you have in front of you is a pistol. You start off small and you work your way up. So make sure you have your earplugs in. What? Make sure you have your earplugs in.
I have earplugs in.
Make sure you have your earplugs in. Okay. And then you're going to want to take the pistol. You're going to make sure you click off the safety. Okay, there you go. Now, you aim downrange, look down the sight, and just fire away. I gotta get a new one here. That one is a little out of commission. I'll turn the safety off here. Wow, did you? Well, you hit him a little low.
I thought that was where you're supposed to aim. You're not going anywhere. I want to use a bigger gun. How about this shotgun here? Yeah. All right. That's the one with the explosive. All right. By the way, this is my favorite one right here, and you're going to want to try this, but I want to show you how to use it. This is the M16. And, this is my baby. Okay. Oh, there you go. Okay, now just watch the master at work here. You ready? Okay. Make sure you turn the safety off. Oh, the safety. Yeah. I'm going to stay to the master. I know. It's been a long day. Ready? Here we go. Guys, this is not funny. They keep giving me water gun lookalikes. It's not funny. I'm with the customer. Can I try this tank gun out? Try the turret. That's anti-aircraft. And just tell me when to pull. We'll shoot a fake airplane out there. Okay. Just tell me when to pull. I'll shoot the fake airplane out there. Ready?